Hi everyone, and in this video you will see how to crochet my unique project. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook and a ball of yarn. All information about the tools could be found in the description of this video. Before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. Please join me and let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet the cord. I will begin from the foundation ring. Make a chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. And my ring is ready. Let's crochet the first segment. Chain of 2, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the ring, make double crochet, chain of 7 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well done. Insert the hook into the ring, make a slip stitch, make a chain, and turn the work. I am turning the work always in this direction. Work into the chain space, make a slip stitch. So I'm making 7 slip stitches and chains with seed bead. I take seed beads, pull up the working loop, yarn over, take the working yarn, pull it through like this and pull it. My seed beads will be behind the crochet hook or behind the work. Insert the hook into the same chain space, make a slip stitch. 2, 3, and chain. 4, I will count only slip stitches. 5, make a chain. 6, and 7. Here what I have. In total it should be 6 seed beads. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I straight up my seed beads. Insert the hook into the stitch, make a slip stitch. My first segment is ready. I will not repeat it. I will repeat the second and the third segment in my cord. Continue working on my cord. Let's crochet the second segment. Make chain of 2, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the same stitch, make double crochet. Well done. Chain of 7 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well done. Turn the work. This is my chain space. There is the stitch. Insert the hook around the stitch, make a slip stitch. It is going to be cord with volume. Make a chain, turn the work like this. Well done. Insert the hook into the chain space, Make a slip stitch. In total it should be 7 of them. I will count only slip stitches. Make a chain with seed bead. Two, three, and chain with seed bead. 4, and chain with seed bead. 5, and chain with seed bead. 6, and chain with seed bead. 7. In total it should be 6 seed beads. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Everything is correct. Insert the hook into the stitch. Make a slip stitch. My second segment is ready. Here what I have at this point. Let's crochet the third segment. I remind you, I will repeat the second and the third segment each time. It is going to be like the second one. Make chain of 2, yarn over the hook, and double crochet into the stitch. Well done. Chain of 7 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's look at this part of the cord. In this case, I work it around the stitch. This is the front side of the cord, and this is the back side. So I have to work around the stitch. Work around this stitch, make slip stitch. As I did before, make a chain, work into the chain space, make 7 slip stitches and chains with seed bead. Take seed beads, work with slip stitch 1, chain with bead, 2, and chain with seed bead. 3, and slip stitch. This is the fourth one, and chain with seed bead. 5, chain with seed bead. 6, and chain with seed bead. 7. In total it should be 6 seed beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Everything is correct. Insert the hook into the stitch. Make a slip stitch. This is the back side of the cord. Turn the work on the front. So I've got 3 segments in 3D crochet. It is going to be the cute cord in 3D style. Next time I will repeat the second and the third segment. I will start and you should continue working with your own. Chain of 2, yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the stitch, make double crochet. Chain of 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Turn the work on the front side. Work around the stitch. This is my chain space and this is my stitch. There is a double crochet. Make slip stitch. Make a chain, turn the work. And make slip stitch into the chain space and work with seed beads. One and chain with seed bead. Two, two, 3, 4 and chain with seed bead. And 5 with seed bead. Chain and 6 with seed bead. Chain with seed bead and 7. Well done. This is the front side. Insert the hook into the stitch. Make a slip stitch. The fourth segment is ready. So I will crochet in the same way as I did the second one. And let's crochet the fifth one. It is going to be like the third one. Once I have done all my segments in the cord, here how it looks, and now I show you how to complete it. I already cut off my yarn. To secure the yarn by making a chain and pull it, you can leave a long piece of yarn to sew the stuff for the jewelry, or you can remove the yarn along the stitches on the back side of the cord using the sewing needle or a crochet hook. So that's it, my project is ready. Here how it looks when I am done. This is the back side and this is front. This is my 3D cord made of 2 segments. I will repeat the second and the third segment each time. So in general, I am done 3 segments in my cord. First one I didn't repeat, and the second and the third I repeated each time. You can choose any color of yarn and any crochet hook to create your personal own project. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow my social media, and crochet with me and learn more. Here how it looks on my hand. If you don't like seed beads, please visit my channel and find a lot of video tutorials in different playlists. If you like to crochet motifs, so please visit my YouTube channel and find a lot of video tutorials in my playlist. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. And good luck in crocheting. And please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use my projects. Bye!